Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to extract an audio from a video file. If you love the music of a video clip, you can do this adjustment here on this app called Davinci Resolve and save the music on your PC. The program I'm using, like I said just right now, it's Davinci Resolve, a free video editor, an alternative to Adobe Premiere, which I've been using for some years, but after my laptop crashed and I had to buy another laptop, I decided to go for this application because I didn't want to spend another dime for Adobe Premiere Pro anymore. And the free features here are very good and they simply rock. There is of course a premium version of Davinci Resolve. They need the extra cash, I guess, but who cares? I'm very good. I'm very pleased with these features this app offers. So let's begin. We go here to our video file. And now we want to drag it here. I did that. We drag it like that and we bring it to the timeline. And what we want to do here is keep the green box, the audio file, and make the blue box go away. And how to do that? We simply press the Alt button on our computer, laptop, and right click on the blue box here and press delete selected. And now we have the green box available. We can use quick export, but it doesn't work. It works only for video and audio altogether. So we go here to this music note here icon, and we have the green box, the audio file. We right click on the mouse and we press the export audio files. This is the list where we want to save the audio. I did that already, and we press export. Yes again. And we did that. Now we go back to our computer. Let's leave new pieces, two again, and now we have two pieces of the audio file available. And it's on high quality, but if you want to do more with this file, you can download Audacity, another freeware application, an audio editor this time, and with some adjustments you can make your audio file sound like music from the CDs and save it as FLAC. But that's another tutorial for another video. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now if you're wondering, the music I just showed you is from my music. I play music and compose music. You can check my first channel, Synth Tracks. My music is on Spotify and other platforms. But I started as a photographer 14 years ago, so I wanted to do something about photography and a bit of videography. And that's a cool feature I found on Davinci Resolve and I wanted to share with you all. So please subscribe to my channel Leave a comment, tell me if you like it or not, and see you in another video. Bye.